Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to run on nationwide card reader, right? So it's very easy thing to do. It's not something that very difficult. So let me show you how you can do it. So first of all, you have to make sure that the card reader is connected to your computer via USB cable and make sure that it's secure, right? On the login screen, enter your customer number. If you have forgotten it, click I have forgotten my customer number, and they will just give you options so that you can just view it or change it once again. Now here you have to, after that you have to insert your nationwide debit card into the card reader and follow the on-screen instruction to generate a one-time passcode, right? That is basically 1TP. And after that passcode on the login screen to authenticate your identity and access your account, keep your card reader in a secure place when no one is in use and never share it with anyone else, right? So actually when it's not in use, you can share it with you will not able to share it with anyone else. Regularly check for firmware update for the manufacturer to maintain the highest level of security. That is important. So here you can just know, by the way, you can just go to the nationwide website, official website, and here you can just get to know that how you can do this, right? And what's the benefit and everything you will get by officially. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.